Here I've got the Huawei P40 Pro and I'm gonna show the top tricks of its camera. At first we have to click on the camera button here, and now let's take a look at these settings around. We start with the flash. Here we can manage it from the auto flash. We can turn it on every time we take a picture, and also we can turn it off right here. And now let's take a look here at the zoom, so we can get as close as we need by this slider. The next one is this slider with the modes, so we can pick the preferred one by us. And this one is really cool because here we can decide if we want to have the background of our photo blurred very or just less by this f-stop slider. And I'm going to go left to show you more, and here we have more modes, so we can choose whatever we like and need. I especially recommend you this one, HDR mode. It's useful because HDR improves the details in the brightest and darkest areas of taking picture. And now I'm going to move to these settings on the right corner, and here we can capture smiles. When we turn it off, the camera automatically takes photos when people smile. And now we move to the general settings. Here we can turn on assistive grid. This shows us this gridlines to help us to use the rule of thirds in photography in the right position. And then horizontal lever. This is also useful because here we have this line and it helps us to take the main subject of taking picture get straight when we move our phone. And the next one is camera timer. Here we can choose the timing and take picture with delay. I'm going to pick 2 seconds to show you how it works, as you can see. And the next one is add watermark. Here we can add watermark automatically with a Leica camera, and it works like that. So when we take a picture and take a look on it, here we have the watermark. And the next setting is location tag. Here we can tag our photos and videos with location information. When it's turned on, when we take a picture, the location information is right there. As you can see, greetings from Krakow. And important thing is that in the location tags we have to be connected with the internet, and we have to turn it on location on this phone. And the next setting is mute, so we can turn on and off here the camera sounds. And we pick all of these settings to restore them and turn back to original settings. We just restore defaults. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.